Not really sand, it's more like just little gold beads. That's amazing, I wonder what this material is. It just completely gave up. Hi guys, welcome back to the How channel. I have decided today, after stopping at the store and seeing this weird little contraption, to crush this hourglass. It looks like it has little beads in it. Not really sand, it's more like just little gold beads. It's actually kind of cool. Some of the other fun things that I found at the store today was this green candle, which I'm going to be also crushing with the 50-ton press. And then I found some of these beads. They're called floral gel beads. And it looks like they're used for putting in plants to make them look nice. What they look like to me is just basically Orbeez. These are Orbeez. So I'm going to go ahead and crush that and the candle. Before we start crushing these things, I want to find out how much time this has before it fully drains from top to bottom. The time starts now. Okay, 1 minute so far, and it looks like it's about halfway there, so I'm gonna guess 2 minutes. Oh, that's it. Looks like 1 minute and 45 seconds. Not really an hourglass, but hey, the gold bead looked really cool in there, right? Check that out, I like it. Let's start with these decorative floral accent beads first. I think I'm gonna put this plate on top to make sure it smashes nice and even. That's probably good enough. Okay, I think more than anything, we kind of just wanted an explosion of the plastic container, and we got that. Look at these. These are definitely just Orbeez beads. You just squish them. They're a little stronger than Orbeez. These are actually quite strong. There it is. It exploded right out the side. Kind of cool. Okay, let's try this green candle now. My guess is it's going to smash at the top and the bottom like a mushroom. Oh, it's just crumbling apart. There's a huge crack on the side over here. Oh, and it's done. It just completely gave up. Not even taking any more pressure from the press. Look at that. The pressure from the plate crushed the rest of it. Let's light it on fire here. There. Let's crush this hourglass. Now, since that's glass and that was so easily crushed, I'm gonna lay the next part on its side. All right, now let's just crush it to the bottom. Whoa. Okay, obviously the glass broke up pretty good. Crushed the glass down into the bottom. I wonder what these beads are made of. They're kind of cool. Maybe what we should do is burn them. Let's burn those beads and see if they're plastic. They're not really burning. They're taking the heat really well, wow. I am not sure what those are. That glass is getting hot enough to melt, and the beads still aren't melting. That's amazing. I wonder what this material is. That glass is melted. Not even sure what those beads are, but this thing's definitely destroyed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you give me a comment below. Let me know what you'd like me to do next. We'll see you next time on How.